Hello viewers, welcome back to another tutorial. In last tutorial, you learn about what's the app component and what is the manifest file and how manifest file impacts on your project. In this tutorial, guys, we will talk about the activity lifecycle. Basically, as the user navigates throughout and back to your app, the activity instance in your app moves through different states in their lifecycle. The activity class basically provides a number of callbacks that allow the activity to know that the state has been changed. For example, the system is in the creating state or is in the pause state, etc. etc. Here you see the graphical image of the activity lifecycle. Basically, there are 6 methods in the activity lifecycle. First method is the onCreate method. OnCreate method gets fired only once when the activity is started. This is the good place to initialize the variables and objects. Second method is onStart. Basically, onStart method is called when the activity is about to become visible to the user. Third method is onResume. OnResume method is called when the user start interacting with the application. Fourth method is onPause. When the activity is in the pause state, the activity or the application does not receive any input and does not execute a line of code. Fifth method is onStart. OnStart callback is called when the activity is no longer visible to the user. And last method is onDestroy. Basically, onDestroy method is called before the Android system destroy the application instance. When the activity is in the pause state and the user try to again resume the activity lifecycle must call the onResume method to resume the activity. And when the activity is in the stop state, activity lifecycle must call the onStart method and then the onResume method to resume the activity. I will try to show you the activity lifecycle through programming. Now open Android Studio and open the Hello World project, your first project. When you open the Hello World project, in your Hello World project there is only one activity is in the main activity. Open the main activity and you see that only one method is the onCreate method, and this is the first method of the activity. First, override all methods of the activity. Second method is the onStart method, as you see in the graphical image. Third one is the onResume method, and fourth one is the onPause method. Next one is the onStop. Next one is the onDestroy method. Now you have a question in your mind when this method is called. For this purpose, I use a logcat to log the input, to log the output that which method is called now. For this purpose, define a string variable and assign the value to tag. I am using this for filter the logs in the logcat window. This window is the logcat window. Now in the onCreate method, you want to write the logs in the logcat by using the log class .d, its method. Class have many methods to write the logs in the logcat. I am using log.d method. The first parameter of the log.d method is the tag that you use to filter out the logs in the logcat, and second parameter is the message that you want to show in the logs. I am writing the logs.d to onCreate call method. Copy the message and paste it on all the callbacks and change it with their name. After that, run on your device. When the activity is in the pause state and the user try to again resume the activity lifecycle must call the onResume method to resume the activity. You see that when the activity is in the stop state and try to again resume the activity, it must call the onStart method, then onResume method to resume the activity. When the activity is destroyed and the user start again the application, it must call the onCreate method, and so on the lifecycle is called. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope so guys you like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get a notification when I will upload a video tutorial.